Hey, now there I want to see real pono bubu na dachi. Hey, yeah, some more. Oh, it's in there. I'm away see what hassle. Yes, guys, you're seeing right. Our pen had a little issue on the 92 feet section. Okay, so this is what had happened. The carpenter is ready to do the framing for. Remember, we divided the coop into two, right? Just a little bit at the bottom and the rest up because of the sloping issue. So what had happened was the mason called the prisoners to come in at his own cost to fill this little section that we had divided because it was time for the carpentry work to be done. So the day before they did filling, which I had to go get them wheelbarrows from the building sites and all that. So I left them there. They did whatever they did. And then the very next day we had a huge rain. Okay, huge rain. So when it rained, I guess the filling was fresh, and with the force of the rainfall, it collapsed the pen. Okay, so that's what's going on. So we did goose and shoot to Uncle Koyansa. Chokwa bakasa he achiana. Ni na achia. Ebu akudu honu. Ai. Ana ebu. Okay. On the brighter side, I'm kind of glad this happened while work was going on. So imagine if he had gone. But one annoying thing about Ghana is, yes, this happened. I had just bought my last truckload of blocks, and that was off the budget. And then this happens. And then in Ghana, when anything like this happened, you have to replace at your own cost. He's not, well, maybe not labor charges, but I have to buy blocks. I have had buy 300 more pieces, which wasn't on the budget. I had to buy more cement. So yeah, it was annoying, but it is what it is. Like I always say, what can I do? But he came and fixed it, and as you can see, that's what he's doing, and he wasn't pleased by any means. So yeah. So now I have to buy whole new blocks because these are all waste. He just called and told me he needed more blocks. I was pissed. Hopefully this is solid and it won't break again. All these blocks, like, not to mention my cement, just wasted like resources. Why didn't you do this the first time around? Now he said he's doing it flat because the long ones, that's why it broke and the filling made it break. So why didn't you do that the first time? Why didn't you do it flat? You have to waste my money, waste all these blocks before you figure out what's good. Oh, brother. Quick run through. I bought new blocks. I bought like 300 more blocks. Super annoying. All at my cost. Okay, I was done buying blocks, but now look, all this wasted. So it's been fixed. They're almost done laying here. So fingers crossed it will stay up and won't break again. Oh gosh. I feel like this end is pushed out a bit. Is that me? Or this end is pushed out a bit? I'm gonna bring his attention to it. So now that the collapsed issue has been dealt with, it's time to do the framing for that little section. So the carpenter said we need to do some gable and other things to support it. So that's what it's going to be done. And then we're going to continue with the roofing. And yeah. Aye. Ah, okay. Maybe I'm probably going to go. Okay. Okay.
The hand body and it train by pepe.
Okay.
And it trema by Finfana, local.
About. And did I just.